And we've got a puddle again. Very concerning. Start this video off by saying I've had a really bad leak. I think it's coming from the scuttle drain. I'm not sure if it's not the scuttle drain. I think it's either coming from the rails or the door. I'm more inclined, it's awkward to say if it isn't the scuttle drain because I felt along the side of the carpet and it isn't coming down there. And if it were the door, it would be seeping in through the side of the carpet, obviously where the door is. And the roof is bone dry, so it just doesn't make sense for it to be anything but the scuttle drain. I think it's got blocks and it's coming in the car, but yeah, I've basically got puddles. I'll show you a quick clip I took yesterday. And I'm just going to go outside now to see what it looks like, because it is raining. So I'm going to find myself a towel or something, take that down with me, or just any old clothes or something like that to try and bung on the floor, and then have a look. Right, okay, so we'll check the front. Relatively dry. Back. And we've got a puddle again. Very concerning. As I say, it's not from the sides. It's definitely got to be coming from the front. Right then, so because it's still raining, I've decided to bring the car as close to the garage as possible, so I've got a bit of shelter and I can pop the bonnet, because I need to be working around here. So let's get on with it. Alright, so as you all know, take cabin filter off, remove that, take your sensor out, bar across here, and this will lift up and pull away. Bit wet in here, a few leaves. Can't determine anything just yet though. Lift that little tab up, pull that across. Take this thing off. This should just come off really. Get that out of the way. Okay, so I was wrong. Isn't that drain I've got to be concerned about. I think that's part of it, but it's got so much crap. One of the main issues, you can see there, that there's rather dashing puddle that obviously appears to be going through there and into the footwell area and then probably going back. But that is a good substantial amount of water that we don't want in the car. Right, so I may have very potentially found the culprit. You can see that it's just a little pebble that's got in there and blocked the drainage hole. Can't be sure, because I mean there's probably still a decent amount of stuff down there that's blocking it up, so I still will have the wheel off, but I feel like that might help. The water level still hasn't really gone down. I'm just sort of having a feel about. I think it's in this corner because obviously I can't see because of the murky water, but I think the drainage hole is in this corner. I can hear water coming down here. There we go, I think we've unblocked it by the looks of that. Excellent. So it looks like we've cleared it, because that is coming down like 1 hour now. And hopefully we should, and we are, starting to see all that water dissipate. Excellent. So that does look like a job well done, and obviously it hasn't cost us anything. I think later on I'll wait for the rain to stop. I'll go clear out the drains properly, and I think I'll do it on both sides. All of that wet carpet, all of that just because of a little pebble. Who would have thought it? Yeah, you can see it there. Don't know if you can see it on the camera. You can sort of see it just making its way out, drying up. Very happy, very, very happy. So there we have it, that should have cured it. Now it's just a case of trying to dry out the carpets. For the time being, I feel safe saying that it's fixed. I think later on in time, I'm probably gonna, like I say, clean out the bottom bit of the drainage and also remove the carpets and give them a good clean, because they do smell a bit now, they've been damp. And obviously make sure underneath the carpets are dry, because the last thing I want is the metalwork rotting through. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and maybe even bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, Peace.